Alright, I'm going to show you how you can change the vertical or the horizontal axis start value in Excel. So here we just have a graph with some simple data. We have study hours in column B and the average test score in column C based off the amount of hours those students studied. So we have study hours as our x-axis and average test score as our y-axis here. So in order to change the start value for the vertical or horizontal axis, you need to simply select the graph. And if I select this range here in the vertical axis and I click that, it'll bring up this side menu. Under bounds, you simply need to find where the minimum is and then put whatever number you want there to change the starting value. So let's say that we want the starting value to be 40 and we hit enter. That will automatically resize the graph, getting rid of some of that extra space. Now, if we were to do the same thing here for the horizontal axis, we can double click that. Let's say we want to change this to 20 and hit enter. It's going to remove all of those other data points, cleaning up our graph a little bit. And there you have it. That's kind of the simplest and the quickest way that you can change the vertical or horizontal axis start value within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.